Hello! Today I have stuff that I ordered while I've been in quarantine.
Help me!
I've been very bad. However, it's all makeup related items which I have actually needed. I haven't been super irresponsible. But I have waited to open all of these to make a video for it. They've been all sitting on my dresser and my cats have been using them as a mountain to climb, so I'm surprised none of them have been knocked off and damaged. Let's get into it. Okay. This first one I have is from ShopMissA. I've never ordered from them before, but they're like a cheap makeup company. What did I get from them? Oh, that's right. Okay, so I got this microfiber sponge guy. It's like one of those, oh, what's the company called? I think it's called Juno & Co. They have like it's like a microfiber, it's almost like a fuzzy makeup sponge. Let me feel this. Ooh, it is fuzzy. Let me show you. There we go. Yeah, it's got like a little bit of fuzz on the outside. And apparently, it's good for like powder application specifically, which is in here somewhere. I got a new powder. My under eyes get like really crusty and awful. So I'm gonna, this is really, how nice. Anyway, this should help my under eyes not be as crusty. Thank you, ShopMissA, for trying to make me look better. Okay, what's this one? This one is from Overtone. And Overtone is what I use to maintain my hair because I can't be going to the hair salon every few weeks with this quarantine going on. There she is. So here is the Overtone. This is what I use for my hair. It's a pretty good shade match. This is the Overtone Extreme Magenta Coloring Conditioner. So I do this like maybe once a month. You leave it in. It says like 10 to 15 minutes. I usually leave it in for 30 just because I want it to be as bright as possible. Anyway, this stuff works really well. They've got natural colors, vibrant colors obviously, and they have like a system where it goes from like pastel to extreme. This is the extreme, this is the brightest one they have, or the most pigmented. So they've got a whole range of products. Definitely recommend it, and it smells really good. Okay, what's next? Okay, I actually don't know what this is. Let's find out together. Oh! It's from Uemura. Heck yeah. So this is a eyelash curler. Hopefully that's coming up there. There we go. I've been wanting to try one of these for a long time. Apparently this is like everybody's favorite eyelash curler. I really haven't ever curled my eyelashes. I guess I attempt to, but like I always like squeeze my eyelid with it and it hurts and it scares me, so then I just stop. I stopped trying to do it. Okay, well. I mean, it looks like basic kind of torture device. I'm excited to try this out. Hopefully my eyelashes will curl and this will change my life. This is from Nars.
Bruh.
It's already up. Okay, box. Smarter than the box. Here we go. I think I ordered a couple things from them. I've had these for quite a while. I've been like waiting for all of them to come in. And as I'm sure you guys know, shipping has been a mess. Ooh, okay. Some interesting packaging here. Okay, yeah, so I got two things from them, right? Is there another thing in here? Nope, just two things. Okay, did I get? I got the High-Pigment Longwear eyeliner in, what shade did I get? Santa Monica. And then I got the Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Maron Glace. I probably said that completely wrong. I don't care.
That's how it's pronounced now.
So I've been wanting to try this for a while too. Hopefully I got the right shade. I've been using the, there it is, really nice packaging. I've been using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer, and I will not be repurchasing that for reasons. So I'm really excited to try this. This looks like the right color. It's like, my skin's olivey, this is olivey, I think this should be good. And then this is the eyeliner. This packaging is like smooth matte. I like that. I like touching that. So this is a white liner. You guys see the color at the end there. I usually put like a white liner on the my bottom, what's that called, lash line here. Helps my eyes look a little bigger, and the one that I've been using is the NYX. It's like a crayon stick, and it's like super chunky, so like trying to put it on my eye is an absolute mess. So really excited to have this instead. What else do we have here? This is from Morphe. Okay, was that necessary, Morphe? Okay, so I got a refill on my continuous setting mist and a new makeup brush. So here's the mist. I was using the pink Jeffree Star version, and I'm just gonna quote reasons. I will not be repurchasing that one. So this is just their regular one, not pink, which makes me sad, but it's what we have to do, guys. It's what we have to do. And then this is a makeup brush that was recommended to me by Taylor Wynn here on YouTube. Amazing, love her. She also recommended this guy. But this is for, it's like a domed, fluffy blending brush I'm gonna use for under my eyes to uncrustify them. And it's a Morphe E45 domed blending brush. Very excited about that. Oh, where is this guy from? Sephora. I just hit everyone up, didn't I? Okay, that was the worst box cutting I think I've ever done. There we go. Oh, what's this? Oh, a little sample. Grande Brow Enhancing Serum. Okay, I'll use that. Thanks, Sephora. What's that? Was this all I got? I don't remember. Okay, I mean, fine. Really? This box for this little guy? Okay. Far be it for me to tell you how to run a business. Okay, so this is the Laura Mercier Secret Blurring Powder for under eyes. I'm on this under eye product kick. I will have non-crusty under eyes soon. Ooh, nice sleek packaging. Okay, I mean, it's just, here you go, brightening powder. There's the camera. Hey, I want to touch it. Ooh, what? Can you see? It's got like a pearl finish to it. It is so smooth. Holy crap. Alright, well, I'll put that on my face. Hell yeah. And this last one, the big one, I'm really excited for. So, I have, I think probably only a couple makeup videos up right now where it's just a get ready with me, you watch me put on makeup, whatever. And I sit at my vanity, which has like, you know, 3 large mirror panes But when you're doing makeup, you need something that's like close to you. Like the mirror's back there and I'm like, I hope I don't get this eyeliner in my eye. I do all the time. But I'm using like this crappy little drugstore makeup mirror. Like it's so small I have to set it on top of a box to get it to be tall enough for me. It provides no light. Anyway, so I got myself a nice bright makeup mirror and it's Hello Kitty themed. Okay. Okay. This is from Impressions Vanity Company. They got me. I get all their advertisements.
Got it!
It's fine. This is gonna be great. So here is the packaging. Look at how cute it is. It's got Hello Kitty heads all over it, and then on the top too. Let me see if I can get this open on camera without looking like an idiot. So far, not so good. Oh, it's got a handle. There's tape. There we go. Ooh, this is so nice. What the heck? And I got it on sale too. Ooh, okay, so it comes with like a little cleaning wipe. It's got Hello Kitty on that. Instructions. Ooh, it's so big. What the heck?
Nice.
Oh my gosh. I am so excited right now. Please. Please just let me have it. Oh, here she is. Look how big. There you guys are, my ring light. Don't blind yourself. There we go. So this is quite big, and I don't know if you can see, it's got a little Hello Kitty head down here, and the lights are shaped like hearts. I love that. And then it comes with an arm attachment. And the base is really cute too. What the heck? Here's the base. It's got the little Hello Kitty bow on it as well. Let me see if I can put this together. Okay, that was super easy. Like, y'all just watched me do that in like 30 seconds. Here she is. Wow. No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Alright, so here we go. You guys watched me put that together. That was quite easy. If you can see it, if I can hold it up by my knee, but it's like super mobile. No, I don't know why I need to do that with it, but I can. And I like that option. Well, thanks for watching me unbox all my new treasures. I'm really excited to use them probably in my next makeup video, so keep an eye out for that. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!